Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And this video is on the best TIG welders for the money. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, meet the Sunstack 250A TIG Welder, your metal's new best friend. Specialized for aluminum welding, it's like butter on toast, smooth, dual voltage, 110V or 220V. It's the Swiss Army knife of welders, up to 250 amps of power. That's enough muscle to impress Thor. AC/DC TIG, pulse TIG, spot TIG, stick. This machine does it all. LCD digital screen, no squinting. See settings even with your helmet on. Change modes faster than a chameleon at a disco. 2T, 4T, spot. Foot pedal ready, plug in and let your toes do the talking. Pulse TIG lets you weld thin metals cleaner than grandma's kitchen. Spot TIG strengthens welds, like extra cheese on pizza, deliciously solid. Built-in memory saves your settings. Forgetful? No problem. Weld aluminum up to 6mm thick. That's beefy for a compact unit. Handles alloy steel, copper stainless, carbon steel, and iron too. User-friendly design. So easy, even your neighbor Bob can weld. Perfect for pros, DIY fans, and metal fabricators who love precision. Sunstack 250A TIG Welder turned metalwork into a work of art. Number 4, YESWELDER Multifunctional Welders. Want one machine for all your welding needs? Meet the YESWELDER 6-in-1 Multifunctional Welder and Plasma Cutter. Perfect for home DIY, professional shops, or metal fabrication. Switch easily between MIG, flux core, TIG, stick, and plasma cut. Smart MIG settings, automatic voltage matching for effortless results. Manual control lets you fine-tune wire speed and voltage. Weld aluminum seamlessly with spool gun compatibility. Gas check button ensures safe, reliable gas flow every time. Powerful plasma cutting, clean cuts up to 5/8 on multiple metals. HF TIG delivers up to 200A for thick materials and stable arcs. Non-touch arc initiation means easy starts and consistent welds. Advanced digital display, clear precise operation at a glance. Built-in safety, automatic protection from overcurrent, voltage, heat. Upgrade your workflow, work faster, safer, and smarter. Ready for next level welding? Get your YESWELDER today! Number 3, PRIMEWELD TIG 225X 225 amp IGBT. Ever struggled with unreliable welders on tough jobs? I used to waste hours fixing messy welds. Then I found the PRIMEWELD TIG 225X. This machine is built for today's welders. 225 amps, AC/DC TIG and stick welding, super versatile. It handles aluminum, stainless steel, and thin metals easily. Advanced IGBT inverter tech means consistent, reliable performance. Works on both 110V and 220V. No hassle switching. Pulse features and cleaning control make every weld smooth. Check out this CK17 Flex Torch, made in the USA. The metal foot pedal gives precise heat control. Watch how clean and strong this aluminum weld looks. No more frustration, just pro results every time. Plus, PRIMEWELD backs it with top-notch US support. If you want reliability and versatility, this is it. Ready to upgrade your welding? Check out TIG 225X now. Number 2, ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welder AC/DC. Want flawless welds on aluminum and steel? Meet the ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welder AC/DC 200 amp. Perfect for workshops, garages, or job sites. 7 welding modes: DC TIG, AC TIG, pulse, stick, spot. Switch easily between aluminum, magnesium, and steel. Large LED screen displays all welding parameters clearly. Effortless setup. See settings instantly, even in low light. Advanced waveform control prevents overheating and distortion. Triangular wave minimizes heat input. Weld thin metals fast. Square wave cleans aluminum oxide for precise, strong welds. Digital MCU system ensures stable, reliable performance. Adjust every parameter: pre-flow, pulse, frequency, and more. Lightweight at just 26.5. Easy to carry anywhere. Backed by 5 years of professional support and service. Upgrade your welding experience with ARCCAPTAIN today. Click now. Transform your welds with precision and power. Number 1, meet the Lincoln Electric Square Wave 205 TIG Welder. Precision and simplicity collide. Think surgeon meets microwave. TIG and stick welding in one 36-pound power-packed box. Weld aluminum, adjust AC frequency like tuning your favorite playlist. AC balance, scrub dirty aluminum or go deep. You're welding, your rules. Digital controls so user-friendly, even your grandma could weld. Plug into 120V or 230V like a world traveler with adapters. Portable, at 36 liters, it's lighter than your neighbor's dog. Perfect for hobbyists, fabricators, and metal magicians alike. TIG for beauty, stick for muscle, choose your superpower. Comes with torch, foot pedal, regulator, and more. No scavenger hunt. Take it everywhere, garage, shop, or your cousin's backyard. Weld confidently knowing you've got pro-level arc performance. Stop wrestling with complicated machines. Weld smarter, not harder. Lincoln Electric Square, Wave 205, where precision meets portability. Grab yours and spark up your next masterpiece today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.